In this video, I'll show you how to request indexing in Google Search Console in 2026. If you've published a new page or updated an existing one, requesting indexing lets Google know that your content is ready to be crawled again. First, open Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account. Select your verified website from the property list. On the left side, click **URL inspection**. Now copy the full URL of the page you want Google to index and paste it into the URL inspection search bar at the top. Press *enter and wait a few seconds while Google checks the page. If the page is already indexed, you'll see its current indexing status. If you've recently made changes, you can still ask Google to crawl the page again. If the page isn't indexed yet, Google will let you know. Next, click the *** request indexing ** button. Google will perform a live test to make sure the page can be accessed. If no major issues are found, your request will be added to Google's indexing queue. Keep in mind that requesting indexing does not guarantee your page will appear in Google search immediately. The process may take several hours or even a few days, depending on Google's crawl schedule and your website's overall quality. Before requesting indexing, make sure your page isn't blocked by a *robots.txt** file, doesn't have a **noindex** tag, and loads properly without errors. It's also a good idea to include the page in your XML sitemap and create internal links pointing to it, as this helps Google discover your content more efficiently. If you update important content, fix SEO issues, or publish a brand new article, requesting indexing is a smart way to notify Google about those changes. That's it.